Give you my heart.
Hi there, YouTubers. I'm coming to you guys with my lunch, which is a taco salad today. I also have a cake, and I have water, and I have also a soda to drink. But that's if I get to it. I'm gonna try to drink this water. By the way, so I'm gonna probably stop drinking sodas as much as I do. So that's a whole nother story. I might put that on my other channel since I ain't post on there in a while. Anyway, I have sour cream, tomatoes, lettuce, cheese, corn, taco meat, and I have tortilla chips at the bottom because I was like, well, I need to have a taco shells. It's the same thing. Well, not the, well, actually it is the same thing, but this is more convenient. Be able to eat my taco salad. I might have to get some more chips though. I'm really important now. I'll give you guys a bite. A chip. And then the salad. The whole got the cornstarch sauce down in here. It's real good. Hold on for a second. Alright, I'm good. I'm gonna go get some more chips just in case I need them. I am not saying much today, guys. I'm hungry. I haven't eaten nothing but those boiled eggs today. Right up, way! What? You gonna help play some toys?
My toy!
Okay.
Here. Here. It was a butt.
Now, hear your phone.
No! The butt. What's the butt?
Go get it from Windsor. Where are your bubbles at? They in the dining room on the table.
Need the tablet.
It's on the table.
Oh.
It's on there.
No. Hold it.
Yes, it is. I've seen it. Go get the tablet. Bring me the tablet.
Tablet. Here's
Why you got that scale? Hold on. I am back.
Want the popcorn?
In a minute. All right, let me finish eating, then I'll make you popcorn.
Popcorn? Yeah. Popcorn.
I'm gonna put a little on the top. Thank you, Winter, for my picture book.
Mommy, ta-da, Mama. Casey.
I'm gonna make this in a minute. Let me eat. Hey, let me finish eating.
Eating, yay! Mommy, please.
Can I eat first, please? You gotta learn how to wait.
On the cake, Richard? Yes, that's toy.
I'm starting to get kind of full. I think it's those boiled eggs in this water. Don't put it on your sister's head. I love taco salads. I've never get them from Taco Bell though. Even when I worked there. Because we're in that sale. And they have beans and stuff now. And I know that even if I was to make it myself, I mean, I don't want to have to keep breaking off the shell. Dipping it in there. I don't know if that sounds crazy or what, but yeah. Then plus I like to add corn in mine. When I had Frito pie, the same thing. No. It's not even mixed with soda. Right. It might sound crazy, but this is what works for me to get me to drink more water when I want to drink water when I'm at home. This soda beside me. Oh, strawberry. I'm drinking this water. So if I'm eating this food, drinking this water, by the time I get done drinking this water, I'm not gonna want the soda. I lost time boy though. From sticking me in the gum. Winter's back. She's got a cup and a play spoon. I'm gonna finish. I do not know if I'm gonna make it to. Oh, it's already 1 o'clock. Is it 1 o'clock or is it 12 o'clock? It might be one. It's 1 o'clock. I don't know if I'm gonna make it to the cake. Got jug water. Water. How about that? Maybe I have the cake in my next video. It should be soon because I'm finished. So good. I'm on water now. I don't even know where that went. They tell us we don't know how to recycle. We're supposed to pop that thing off, and then we're supposed to cut it. But I don't know where it went, so I won't be cutting it. I'll find it in a little bit. Anyway, hang on. I do exactly what I told my daughter to do. Don't use your shirt for a paper towel. My mouth just feel woolly. Anyway, keep on wondering, do I look juicy? When I say juicy, they don't look dry. Don't look inside my scalp. I know I already said here's dry. Well, it's not dry, but it looks raw. What are you doing? You got a broom? She's got a broom. She's got a broom. Maybe I'll take a bite of the cake. I don't sit here long. Well, you know how you said Make a little room. Anyway, not a lot of room, but make a little room. Look. Yes, it was 50 cents, guys. Originally, they're just $1. But 50 cents. Trying to think. I want to do. I know Valentine's Day is coming up. I know right now I don't have any money, but I'm gonna start trying to do some Ubers tonight. I said that last time, but I am really gonna try to do some Ubers tonight. And at first I was thinking, well, I still got to eat. Well, no, I probably still got to eat. I don't know. I was really thinking about I'm gonna be getting in the room with my husband. I don't know. Come home. I don't know. I just want to have that alone time with him. But let's get and taste of this cake. Let's get right here. I love that they sell cakes already, you know, sliced, so you don't have to buy a whole cake. I'm so sorry I did not give you guys a bite. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna finish this little section over here in the top layer and then be done. Mm-hmm. This is the creamy top. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. And here's the last bite. You know, usually $1.99, 50 cents. But we'll get you that stuff that's on sale at Kroger's, y'all. Anyway, on that note, I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you know, eat and have treats with your girl, Gina. No, I'm just kidding. Anyway, yeah, hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.